they fly in here. And it's driving me batshit. God, it's like it knows it's annoying. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a FabFitFun unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is for like the summer box. I did get a couple of add-ons. I literally only got a couple of add-ons though, so let's see how well I remember this. I cut my hair. Pretty happy with it. Let me know down below if this was a mistake, but I'm pretty happy with it. But today we're going to unbox the FabFitFun Summer 2020 box. I'll be completely honest, we made choices and we did that, and I don't remember what I chose, but the box is super cute. So we're gonna go through today. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It is $49.99 every quarter. You get a bunch of lifestyle and beauty items, some household goods, etc. selected by the FabFitFun team. You can be a regular member, a seasonal member, or a select member. Depending on what type of member you are, depends on how many choices you get to make. Select members, which means that you have a yearly subscription, they get to choose more out of the box than the seasonal member does. It just depends on how many. I think the select member gets to choose like 3 or 4. Maybe it's only 2. I don't know. We'll see because it's all in the booklet and we go over it. If you've seen my FabFitFun videos before, welcome back. I really hope you enjoy this one. It's going to be the same format as always. I will also be doing my add-on haul at the end after we go through the box. So if you'd like to see that and you want to just skip ahead to there, I will have a timestamp down below. I need scissors to open this though. I do this every season. I freaking love FabFitFun in all seriousness. I've gotten FabFitFun almost since the beginning. They had a little bit of issues like when they first launched years and years and years ago, but I've gotten many of their boxes. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you everything that was in my box. I'm going to walk you through the different choices that you had in each category, and if you could choose if you were a select member or a seasonal member, and then at the very end we're going to go through my add-ons. I really hope my explanation is not confusing. I feel like it's always very confusing. I don't know, but this is, it's what we do. So I will leave my subscription unboxing and playlist linked below, and I will also leave my last FabFitFun video linked down below if you'd like to see that as well. It's a great subscription box. I will also have FabFitFun itself linked down below. So please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And we're gonna jump right in. We've got Summer 2020. It's Gabby Douglas on the front. Okay, now let's see how much of this I remember. We're gonna start with what all members were able to select. These are things that you were able to select if you are a select member or if you are a seasonal member. So the first choice, option 1, had 6 different options in it. Which one did I pick? The first option has 6 different choices. You could have picked a Draper James straw bag with a floral scarf that retails for $75. I have a lot of bags. I don't really like straw bags, so meh. The L Space tie-dye towel, which retails for $58. I actually really like these towels. I probably should have gotten that because I think I've got 4 and I need 5, but I didn't. Now I'm kicking myself. I should have gotten that. The Yumi Kim wireless charging pad for $35. We already have wireless charging pads. I'm not really in need of a new one. The Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream for $82. This eye cream is not cruelty-free. Dr. Brandt is not cruelty-free. Enough said. And then the LashesMD Eyelash Conditioner for $69.95. This one, was I think my second choice. Like, if I couldn't get this choice, like the thing that I ended up picking, I would have probably gotten that one. But then the last choice was the Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice with a retail value of $59. I really like diffusers, and I have kind of a problem, and I really like Pottery Barns, and here we are with that. I mean, like, look, it's a little Solstice thing. I love that. Oh my goodness. A little bit of leakage, so I'm actually just going to put that right behind me. My skincare fridge is gone. It broke. Look at how cute this is. So you put the fluid in there, you unwrap the sticks, you put the sticks in here, and this is the little diffuser. And I really like these. And then you can like flip the sticks over, you refresh the thing. I really like these. I think they're really pretty. And they make for good decor, and they make your house smell good. And then you can buy like extra little, this is all wet, but you can buy like little extra fragrance oils and things like that for diffusers. So that's what I chose because I felt like I would get the most use out of that. I probably, like, I could have gotten either the eyelash conditioner or the tie-dye towel instead of this, and I would have been really happy. The rest of them, probably not, but I really like that one. Okay, choice 2 was also for all members, and there was 5 different things you could have picked. What did I pick? Okay, so the first option was the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. It has a retail value of $78. Honestly, I almost got that one, but I don't travel anywhere. So the next option was the Business and Pleasure Company Cooler Bag, which has a retail value of $59. I got this, and I'm questioning myself as to why. This is actually really cute though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure I got this for like when we have to go places and we need to keep things cold, drinks and whatnot. We like to do family activities, so it's nice to have something like this, you know, so that we can keep stuff cold. It seemed like a good idea, but now I'm kind of kicking myself because one of the other options was the R+Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, which is a retail value of $64. I really like R+Co, and I don't know how I missed that. Although honestly though, like, I'll definitely get a lot more use out of this than a bottle of shampoo and conditioner, so I'm happy with it. I am, and this actually feels like really nice quality. I think it's a really cute. I love this yellow striped. It feels very retro to me, so I'm actually really excited about that. The other options in this little select category was the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil with a retail value of $120. Okay, I have a bit of a skincare backlog problem, so definitely didn't need that. And the Mizrahi, the blue and white kimono for $59. Honestly, that's really pretty, but I have a lot of kimonos that I need to actually wear instead of lusting over new ones. Option number 3, this is once again something that all members could select from. This one has 7 different options to pick from. So the first option is the one that I got. This is the Giving Keys mini key necklace. This retails for $45. These used to be like really popular in subscription boxes. It's so cute. It says Believe on it, like really tiny. These used to be really popular in subscription boxes, but they were like much larger and I wasn't really into that. And I don't know, I just saw this. It looked super duper cute. So I decided to go ahead and get this. They had a lot of like, this section was probably one of the most overwhelming for me because they had a lot of really good choices. The other choices were a Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30 for $36. I love Kula sunscreens. The one after that was the Kula Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30, which also retails for $36. I really like Kula, so that one was really tough for me, but I have a few sunscreens that I'm trying to work through this summer. Then you have the Tom's Sydney sunglasses that retail for $58. I don't wear sunglasses, so that was easy. You have the black peel-off mask and hydrogel eye mask set with hyaluronic acid. I love this freaking mask. I have this set. It retails for $59. I love it, but I already have it, so I skipped that. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream for $65. I really wanted to get this. I so did, but I have way too many moisturizers right now. I literally can't close my drawer anymore, and I just got a bunch more in subscription boxes from this month, so no. The Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, which retails for $23. I actually really like this stuff. I use this to detangle my hair sometimes. That's what I'm currently using. It's in a project pan. I really like that, and that was probably the next like big contender. But I ended up going with a necklace. I'm really happy with it. I think it's adorable, and it's so cute. Okay, next up we have option number 4. This was available for only select members, which are members that pay yearly instead of seasonally to select from. Seasonal members would have gotten these items chosen for them by FABFITFUN. So we've got a few different options for the category number 4. There were 3 different things to pick from. So the first product is the one that I picked, and it is the Terra Mirror Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, which has a retail value of $54 for a toner. I don't get it, but it's very pretty. I will say this brand is cruelty-free. I ended up choosing this. The other options were a Zoe Ayla Ice Roller, which has a retail value of $30. I have some skin rollers. Nah. And then a silked satin pillow sleeve that retails for $29.50. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll realize that I purchased the silk pillow sleeves from like an edit sale or something like that a little while ago, and it did not work out well for me. I don't like pillow sleeves, so we're just sticking with the easy ones. This is actually a really nice like glass bottle. I'm kind of impressed. I am really excited to try this though. You know that I love toners, it looks very luxe to me, and I'm here for that. I'm here for that. It's really nice. So that was my choice. I'm excited about it. For option number 5, this was also for select members only. The first choice was the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna vase. This retails for $28. Honestly, why I got this vase, I don't know. I have kind of a thing for vases, and I just really like them as like random decor throughout my house. This one I just thought was so freaking cute because it's like this drizzle. I don't know. I just really liked that. I thought that was so adorable. So I ended up picking this one out. The other options were the Lifestyle Company Beach Mist, which retailed for $42. Honestly, that one wasn't too bad. And then you had the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray for $25. That one, ooh, I almost got. It looked so good. And then you had the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum, which had a retail value of $25. I just have too many serums and I can't. Okay. The rest of the products were FabFitFun's choices. So I'm showing 7 options for FabFitFun picks, and they chose 3 out of the 7 to surprise you with. So let's take a look at the different options. There is the Riddle Oil Original Roll-On, which is a perfume that mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. It retails for $50. I would have been okay with that. That sounds pretty cool, so long as it's cruelty-free. I'm not 100% sure if it is or not. The Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil, which retails for $16. This is supposed to be a universal eyebrow pencil. This is the first thing that FabFitFun chose for me, which I'm cool with. I like the Winky Lux brand. I'm always down for new eyebrow pencils. I can typically use universal shades. That looks actually quite decent. So that'll work for me. I like that. I didn't even know that that was an option. I didn't see this in like any spoilers or anything. So I'm okay with that. That's like a nice little surprise. The next one is the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with Menthol in Terrico. This retails for $24. It is cruelty free. I'm good with that. This is supposed to be Sicilian blood oranges. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So I don't have a ton of foot creams. I have a lot of hand creams that I will normally use on my feet if my feet are like feeling a little bit dry. But this will be nice to try out, I think. Definitely good for like a pedicure night. So I'm excited about that. And then let's see, we had the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. That has a retail value of $20. Honestly, I would have been pretty okay with that. I've seen those before and I've been wanting to try them because we all know how much I love my makeup sponges. So I feel like that one I would have really liked. We had the Murad Essential C Cleanser. That has a retail value of $40 on it. I really like the Murad cleansers, so I'd have been okay with that. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack. That has a retail value of $25. I've used those for years. I freaking love those, so I would have definitely been okay with that. And then the Spongel Coconut Verbania Hand Cream, which retails for $18. That is the third product that I received. Spongel, I'm almost positive, is cruelty-free because I think I have some of their like sponge things upstairs. So we've got a hand cream and a foot cream. Okay, I am going to go ahead and open this because this is Coconut Verbania, which... yeah, definitely. It just smells so freaking good. So I didn't know that Spongel made hand creams. So I'm pretty okay with that, I think. I feel like that's a good little mix of stuff. It's honestly not the most exciting FabFitFun I've ever gotten. Even though I chose most of the products, like looking back, I don't know why I would have chosen a diffuser and a vase. Like I feel like I definitely skipped a beat there. Especially when there were products that I really like. I don't really know. I don't know. I feel like I was just kind of off at this round for FabFitFun. So let's go ahead and take a look at my add-ons though. The box itself is great. I feel like I was a little off in my choices. I like what they sent me. I think that next time I'm definitely gonna have to like re-collaborate with myself and what I want. Does that make sense? I don't know. I like it. I like it. I don't love it, but the fact that I don't love it is literally no one's fault but my own, because I don't know why I would have done that. I don't know. Anyways. So let's take a look at some add-ons. One of the things, this wasn't in add-ons, but it was like an extra option you could pick. It was like a weird, I don't even know, I've never seen it before, but when like you made your choices, it was like, oh, and do you want to add on some bundles too? I've always wanted to try Grown Alchemist. They had like a Grown Alchemist trio. I don't remember how much it was for, but I was like, yes, I do. So I got the Grown Alchemist Intensive Body Cream, the Intensive Hand Cream, and then the Vanilla and Watermelon Lip Balm. I've tried a couple of things from Grown Alchemist. I've always wanted to try more. Their packaging is so freaking cute. I love it. And the products that I have tried have been really good, and they are cruelty free. So I picked up this little bundle. This is literally the only beauty product add-on that I got, and it's not even technically an add-on. So I don't know, but I'm excited because I've always wanted to try more of their stuff. And then the rest of the add-ons, I think one of them, so I got two other things in the add-ons. I told you it was very, very small this time. I ended up getting a duo set of the Bagu reusable bags. A couple of different prints. This one is like a tassel print, and then this one is like almost like a pear print, I guess. I'm not 100% sure, but Bagu bags are my favorite reusable shopping bags. I really want to start using more reusable shopping bags. I don't think you're allowed to right now, so please correct me if I'm wrong, because I really would like to be able to start using these more. But I have a bunch of these from over the years, and I just wanted to grab a couple more. Figured why not, because we tend to buy a lot of groceries at one time. And then what I think is probably the most exciting part about this whole thing, the reason I got rid of all of the other add-ons in my cart, because this one was definitely one of the pricier add-ons I think I've ever purchased. I ended up picking up one of the Kate Spade bags that they had. So you guys know me, I'm pretty loyal to my Louis Vuitton purses. This one was just so beautiful though, like I had to. This is the large satchel in light fawn, and it retails for $358. So I figured, I think I paid like, what was it, 150 or 200 or something? So almost half off, if not a little more than half off for a Kate Spade bag. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I don't do like a whole lot of handbag shopping, so I don't really know where to go to get like great deals, but I was happy with this one. It's so freaking cute. And I've been carrying the same Louis Vuitton bag for the last year and a half, and then before that it was a different Louis Vuitton bag for a year, and I know first world problems, but I'm just kind of getting a little bit bored, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I saw this and I was like, So I picked up this. And that's my FabFitFun, you guys. It's very short compared to most of the times because I normally don't buy large ticket items in the add-on hauls. I typically go with the cheaper stuff and get a bunch of different stuff so that I can try it out. And this time I kind of went the opposite direction. A little change up, a little change is always nice, right? So let me know down below what you guys thought of your FabFitFun box, if you got one, what you guys thought of my FabFitFun box, what you guys got in your add-ons, all of the fun stuff that FabFitFun brings. Let me know all of the dirty deets down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really hope you liked this video. I feel like it was a little all over the place just because I don't remember what I was thinking when I made my choice. Like, I really don't. I have no idea. Like, I'm happy with it all, but if I could go back, this is not what I would have chosen. I don't know, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. I will catch you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.